Say hello to a fresh spark in the world of electric mobility, the 2026 Wuling Xingguang Mini. This little wonder is turning heads with its futuristic design, smart technology, and an urban spirit that's ready to redefine compact driving. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Xingguang Mini delivers charm and character, a sleek, modern exterior with bold LED lighting, a sculpted profile, and stylish two-tone body colors that give it a distinct personality. It's compact, yes, but it oozes confidence and flair, perfectly blending elegance with efficiency for city life. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, the Xingguang Mini is powered by a punchy electric motor that brings surprising agility to the streets. With instant torque and a smooth power delivery, this car is made for zipping through traffic and slipping into the tightest of parking spots. The acceleration is responsive, the handling is sharp and nimble, and thanks to its low center of gravity, it sticks to the road with a planted feel that's rare in its category. Whether you're navigating busy downtown corners or cruising along neighborhood lanes, the Xingguang Mini feels playful yet composed fun, but totally in control. Inside, Wuling has packed in a whole lot of comfort and cleverness. The cabin feels spacious for its size, thanks to a smartly laid out interior with minimalistic styling and soft touch materials. The seats are supportive and come in premium fabric options with contrast stitching that adds a classy touch. And let's talk tech. The Mini doesn't hold back. A crisp digital display panel combines the instrument cluster and infotainment screen into a seamless interface, offering everything from navigation to smart EV stats at your fingertips. Wireless phone connectivity, voice control, and a built-in AI assistant make every drive more intuitive and connected than ever before. Wuling has also added thoughtful touches like ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and a surprisingly spacious boot for a car this compact. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. Advanced driver assistance systems, including lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and 360-degree parking cameras, ensure you feel secure every time you drive. What really sets the Xingguang Mini apart is how it blends innovation with everyday practicality. It's not just another small EV, it's a statement, a smart companion for the modern urban driver who craves efficiency, technology, and style in one electrifying package.